Hello student, myself Kavya Reddy. Welcome to Pharmaceutical Chemistry World. Now we are discussing about the electromeric effect. What is the electromeric effect? This effect can be observed in organic compound that contain at least one multiple bond. That means that this effect only we can see in a double and triple bond, not in a single bond. Okay. Next, when an atom participated in this multiple bond, come under the influence of attacking reagent, one pi bond pair of electron is completely transferred to one of the two atoms. Next, the electromeric effect is a temporary effect that remains long as the attacking reagent is present and exposed to the organic compound. Once this attacking reagent is removed from system, the molecule that was polarized goes back to its original state. What this means? The electromagnetic effect is only considered in when there is a compound contain double or triple bond, and in that there is a compound or substrate gives a plus or minus charge containing carbon atom, and reagent which is depending on the reagent characteristic, this gives a plus E effect and minus E effect. Plus E effect means plus electromeric effect, minus E means minus electromeric effect. Okay. Next, the type of electromeric effect. The electromeric effect can be broken down into two types, namely plus E effect and minus E effect. This classification is done based on the direction in which electron pair is transferred. That means that double bond or triple bond containing compound having a pi bond which is weaker than sigma bond. When this double or triple bond undergoes the reactions, firstly pi bonds are broke, then sigma bond. So when there is a pi bond is broke, that will be gives a plus and minus charge having a compound, because this pi bonds undergoes the heterolytic fusion, not a homolytic fusion. Okay. So those electron pairs, completely electron pairs goes on the compounds. That compound carries a negative charge, and the electron pairs away from that compound is carries a positive charge. It's called as a carbocation. Okay. So we discuss about the plus E effect. What is the positive E or positive electromeric effect? This effect occurs when the electron pair of pi bond is moved towards the attacking reagent. This is the most important thing which is indicated in a red. Electron pair of pi bond means the pi bond containing electron pairs is moved towards attacking reagent. Okay. The plus E effect can be observed in the addition of acid to alkene. You can see next there is a gives an example. Next, the attacking reagent attach itself to the atom which obtain an electron pair in the transfer. The plus E effect is generally observed when the attacking reagent is electrophile. That means that plus E effect only seen when there is a attacking reagent is electrophile. Electrophiles means what? Electrophiles means are the electron deficient species. Those species which having a positive charge. Okay? And the pi electron are transferred towards the positive charge atom. The pi electron transferred towards the positive charge atom, and that's positive charge atoms are the nothing but electrophile. For example, where the plus E effect occur is the protonation of ethane. Let's see obviously there's the example, ethylene react with H plus. H plus here is acts as a electrophile, and ethene, that is a this ethane containing pi bond, which is break by hydrolytic fissions, result in a H plus H minus species are generated, and after that H plus attack on the carbon negative atom. Here there is a carbon having a negative charge which acts on the attacking reagent. Here is a attacking reagent is a hydrogen plus. Okay, so you get a final compound. After that, second type is a negative or minus E effect. This effect occurs when the electron pair of the pi bond is move away from the attacking reagent. Here is the electron pair means pi bonds is move away from. This is the most important or words in the plus E effect and minus E effect is, in case of plus E effect there is a indicate that move towards, and in case of minus E effect indicate that move away from. This is the most important thing in these two. Okay, the attacking reagent attach itself to a positive charge atom in a molecule. In this case means minus electromeric effect. In this there is an attacking reagent attached itself. It's itself attached to a positive charge atom in a molecule. This is a reverse condition than E plus. E plus मध्ये in that E plus those condition occurs. Here is a reverse condition occurs. There is attacking reagent attach itself to a positive charge. In case of plus E effect, the molecule negative charge atom of the molecule attached to attacking reagent. Okay, that is the atom which lost the electron pair in the transfer. The minus E effect is generally observed when the attacking reagent is nucleophile. In case of plus E effect, positive electromeric effect, there is attacking reagent is nature of attacking reagent is electrophile, and in case of negative electromeric effect, there is attacking reagent is nucleophile. Okay, and the pi electron are transferred to atom which the attacking reagent will not bound with. Okay, for example, here we see that there is a carbonyl group react with cyanide which having a negative charge, and it is a nucleophile. And in case of carbonyl group, carbon carries a positive charge and oxygen carries a negative charge. So nucleophile which having a negative charge attached towards the minus charge containing carbon atoms. So we get a cyanide final compound. Okay, thank you.